Hey, welcome to Asoriba's sales deck, and I'm excited to talk to you about our products and our catalogs. And thanks for making time to look at this. I'm hoping to cut this down to 5 minutes so that you can quickly make some decisive decisions about using our solution. And quickly, my name is Nana. I'm the co-founder of Asoriba. So Asoriba is simply a web-based church management software that helps you to effectively run your church administration. And it comes with mobile technologies to enable your members to connect seamlessly, donate, and engage with you as a church leader wherever you are. Our solution is quite one of the best in the market. We have two core solutions, as you can see, the CRM tool and then our mobile app tool. So I'm going to spend time talking about both of them quickly, and I'm going to give you the chance to really see the value. First of all, it centralizes all your data and allows you real-time access to every single member's data, and you can effectively engage with your members via USSD, SMS, and voice calls, and engage with them anytime, any place they are in the world, stream live events, and so on. Most importantly, you can affordably engage with them because the current channels of communication tends to be expensive, but with this solution you can easily engage with your members. The most important thing is that the kind of financial data you record from donations and expenses makes it possible to easily make decisions that are financially driven. Okay, but you would save time doing this thing because every data is centralized and is very representative in simple forms that allows you to make these decisions. The most exciting thing is that if you're able to effectively use this tool, you can actually grow your membership size because you know how many members you have, those who are not attending church often, and those you have to follow up, and so on. So it's a very powerful tool. I'm just going to run through the features quickly, and I'll be talking about an ideal case scenario of a church that has a very big church and many branches. And whether you're a small church, you can also still use the solution. So let's look at the branch integration for large churches. You can actually connect all your branches wherever they are and engage with the members anytime, or engage with your church administrators across every branch effectively. So you have multiple sites of your church. You can effectively do this. If you are the head office who wants to manage your smaller branches, you can actually do that by engaging and managing the groups and the leaders so you get to know what's happening. However, at the local church level, you can also manage your group leaders and the groups that they manage. So you can see how many, maybe the evangelism team, how many people are in the evangelism team, who is the leader, what's his contact number, and when was their last meeting. You can see stuff like that, and very key for church growth. The exciting thing about membership management is the church is built around a soul and a member, and our software allows you to see a particular member and how he's connected to other members in the church. And you can reach out to, for example, my wife in the church. You know, it's my wife. I'm the CRM. You know who my kids are. So you don't need, as a pastor, store this information in your head. You can easily use the software to do that. So I talked about the donations that members make to the church offline and online. Once they make all these donations and offerings and tithes, this software can help you capture all this information to a single portal that allows you to quickly have an overview of the state of the church's finances. And this really helps you keep track of money and save a lot of time. But what excites me most is really the soul winning. You know, soul winning tends to be at the center of church, and without mobile app technology, the USSD, you can, on evangelism drive, you can really capture the name, the phone number, and where someone stays. So you can have maybe 10 people going out for an evangelism. Anytime you talk to someone without writing on a piece of paper, you can just capture this on your phone, and it automatically syncs with the database, and they can do follow-ups. You can trigger automatic messages that will come once the person gets into the database saying, hey, welcome, thanks for talking to one of our evangelists. We hope to see you in church, and we will call you to follow up, and so on and so on and so forth. You know, it's quite easy to use our tool to do those things. Now, with all the data coming, communication, finance, new souls, and leaders, you need to be able to distill that information and make meaning out of it. So that's why our check analytics and reports come in. It helps you to really understand what the numbers are saying, what trends they are. That way you can actually know what the data is telling you. Because sometimes data is not enough, but the analytics help you to make meaning out of it. I want to draw a little bit on communication being the center of church. You're always speaking, you're always sharing God's word. And what happens is our communication tool allows you to engage with members in 5 ways: via SMS, via live push notifications, that could be video, audio, text, so on. So you can send images, you can send videos, and you can send audios to members. But we have one exciting thing which allows you to actually send voice SMS. So you can literally record a prayer, and you push a button from the CRM, as you can see there, and to reach every member's phone, and they can listen to the prayer I just shared. So you can schedule all these kind of messages I talked about, whether they are video, audio, text. You can schedule them and they'll receive them. One of the key things that often makes a lot of people unhappy in the church when you don't remember their birthday or special days for them. Our system makes this easy for you because it automatically sends you reminders, can automatically send a birthday on somebody's birthday and say, hey, happy birthday, and we love you, we appreciate you. And this really takes stress off the administrators, and they don't need to keep looking at people's Facebook pages. So now that's a lot about what we can provide for you as a church administrator. Let's look at what we provide for members. So the members has this fancy, cool, beautiful mobile app that allows them to get content and engage with the church itself and its members, and also make donations. So whether it's a devotional announcement, you can send them, whether it's video, audio, text format, you can send them the mobile app, receive it. And also members can connect with other members and chat, join groups, and become personal. Or you can actually make donations from the mobile app. So whether I'm in Canada or in US or South Africa or Israel, I can still make my tithes and offerings to my church through the mobile app, and it's pretty cool and convenient. Members can use their cards, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Diners, mobile money, whichever. Now, for the members who have feature phones, who have feature phones, or they have smartphones, but they use them as feature phones, we have the USSD option that basically works on any GSM enabled phone, like any phone that uses a SIM card. You don't need to have data. You just dial a short code and you'll be able to update your details, make a donation, check into service, check your statement, send a report, add a news. So you can actually configure what is visible on the USSD app as a church. And it's one of the powerful tools because it works via GSM network. You don't need to have data, and especially it comes in very handy when you are doing data collection in the field or evangelism or donation fundraising remotely. It's a very powerful tool. One use case is that you have a big crusade somewhere and you want to capture the details of the new souls. You don't need to write them on piece of paper. You ask them to take their phone number, dial a short code, and they will put in their names, and you have all their contacts, and you can follow up. And it's very powerful. So there's a lot of features that is taking a lot of data. How are you sure that the security of the data is there? So every information running through our platform is encrypted, and we ensure that it's encrypted both in transmission and at rest. So data encryption is very key, and we use a TLS 1.2, and we're using authentication, encryption, authentication AED128 GCM, and you can read more about them. About how they work, but to easily find out, you can just go on the browser when you visit asoriba.com, click on the HTTPS over there in the corner, and then you can read more about that. So everything is safe and secure. So pricing, how much does it cost? For any church below 100 is free. We want to help you grow your church. So if your membership data size is about, just below 100, it's free. You don't need to pay anything. You just pay for your SMS or your voice or any add-ons you want to buy in the software. However, when you're between 100 to 300 to 100 CDs a month, it's a subscription service. You can subscribe for the whole year, between 300 to 500 to 150, and so on and so forth. And if you're up to like 2,000 to 300 Ghana cedis a month. But if your church is big, beyond 200, the price varies. It's beyond 6,000 members, or 6,000, and 500 to 6,000. It's just 650 Ghana cedis a month. And if you'll be above 6,000, we can have a conversation and have a unique pricing, because churches at large tend to want their own customized functionalities and mobile apps and so on and so forth. So with customized mobile apps, you're allowed to have your own branding, your own special features and stuff that you want to do. And we have a couple of apps like that are out there, like my IPGC, and a couple of other unique white labeled apps that are out there on the Play Store and iOS Store. So some few exciting things that you may want to look at. If you want to monitor attendance in church, we have a very robust solution using NFC, and that allows you to monitor. We also have biometric QR code head count solutions that allow your attendance monitoring and monitoring of children and checking. And these are unique solutions that you can look at if you need them. So, a little few feedbacks from some of our customers, like the Reverend Dr. Ampia Kofi. He says that Asoriba is a fantastic tool with great features that any forward-looking church Christian organization will find tremendously resourceful. And we have tons of feedback, and you can check it out on the internet. You can check us out on many social media platforms on the internet and find news about us. Some of our top clients you may already know in Ghana and in Africa, and we've been featured on quite a lot of platforms, including CNN and other many platforms. And our company is actually located in Accra. We have presence in Nigeria, and Kenya, and South Africa, but in our Ghana office, you can call the following numbers: +233 5015 83325, or you can call +232248088 or email sales@asoriba.com, and you can quickly get a response. Thank you so much, and I look forward to you using the solution. At this point, if you made a decision, please go ahead and sign up. You can make payments within the software. You can call our support service. And the next thing is to have training on how to use these features to meet your church needs. God bless you, and I look forward to impacting you and us impacting the kingdom of God more. Have a great day and stay blessed. Bye bye.